Hey guys, welcome back to my Kitchen of Vegan Iniquity. This is my Memorial Day dinner, Veganized, and it usually features corn. I grilled the corn and then I cut it into segments and marinated it along with all these other marinated vegetables, which I then grilled after they soaked in the marinade for a little while. I really like this marinade. It's full of oregano. I have sampled some before, but there's grilled shallots, grilled red pepper, grilled rainbow carrots, asparagus, yellow squash, and that's the corn. It's delicious marinade. I love grilled vegetables. They come out so nice and smoky. Here we have red, white, and blue potato salad, which I've never tried this particular recipe before. I usually make a mayonnaise-based dressing and peel the potatoes. But this time I left the peels on because I wanted the red, the white, and the blue to show. I mean, these are really purple, but it's nice that they're blue all the way through, and the red ones are just red on the outside. But still, this is a wonderful dressing. It's really tasty. And here I have barbecue chicken. I know some folk are not going to like to see this very much, but instead of using a popsicle stick, I got some faux bones. They are actually little wooden bones that are carved into realistic shapes that you can buy from the faux bone website. So I made a homemade chicken style seitan and wrapped it around the bone and cooked it. And I know the chicken's good because I didn't just make this. I made a big batch and ended up with quite a few different pieces of it. So I tasted one that I'll be using for something else. But it's very good. If you don't want to do the fake bone, just leave it out. And you can mold them into whatever shape you like. But that's not all, because it's not just traditional to have corn and potatoes, but you gotta have some kind of watermelon. So this is a watermelon spinach salad with it's not just got watermelon and spinach, it's got cucumbers and cantaloupe. And beautiful lime dressing. This is really good salad. But since Memorial Day is a patriotic holiday, I have a patriotic dessert. This is a red, white, and blue tart. The base is a baked sheet of puff pastry, and then I took a blend of whipped chilled coconut cream and vegan cream cheese to make the white part. Basically, there is a thin layer of the cream on top of the pastry. Then there's just a mixture of strawberries and blueberries, and then another layer of the cream, which I piped with a little star tip. And then you organize your fruit in an American flag shape. So there it is, my and I've already had a taste of the cream, and it's very good. And of course, I ate a few strawberries while I was making it, because I love strawberries. I can't resist them. But Mm. The cream is so good. It's just the cream cheese, coconut milk, and some powdered sugar. I use powdered monk fruit sugar. It's really good. So I got a bunch of recipes from this video that will all be on my blog. Wow, geez. This is so good. I'm gonna skip the dinner and just eat this. I won't be able to finish it all anyway, but sorry. It's just really good. So anyway, all of the recipes will be on my blog, and I will link to them in the description, along with telling you that I upload every Sunday, Tuesday, and Thursday, although this is a special occasion, so it's going up for Memorial Day. I will be posting to my community tab Mondays and Fridays. If I do a short, it'll be on Wednesday. Cat videos will be on Catterday. Thank you for watching, commenting, liking, subscribing, and sharing. Thank you for visiting my community tab. And I think that's it. So I'll see you later, guys, and happy Memorial Day to all the Americans who celebrate it.